Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at configuration data for recruitment process. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of job setup, creation and activation of job position, creation of interview template, then we'll see how to create interview stages for interview template, and at last we'll see activation of interview template. Now for creation of configuration data for recruitment process, we need to log in to Brilbook. Here I have already logged in with HR user. Now for configuration for recruitment process, first we need to create a job setup. For that, navigate to job setup and then click on departments. Now click on create button and add name for job department. I will add name as sales department. You can select parent field as per your requirement. Then add description for the department. I will add description as sales department and then click on save button. Our sales department is now created. Now next step is to create job title. For that, click on job title menu list and then click on create button. Add name for job title. I will add name as sales executive. Then add description. And then click on save button. Our job title is now created. Now we will create job category. For that, click on job category menu and then click on create button. Add name for job category. Add description. And then click on save button. A job category is now created. Now we will create job profile. For that, click on job profile menu and then click on create button. Add name for job profile on job profile create page. I will add name as junior sales executive. Then select job category. Then add description. And then click on save button. Our job profile is now created. Now we will create a location. Click on job location menu and then click on create button. Now here add line 1 for the location. Then add line 2. Add city. Add state, add country, then add code. Now click on save button. You can also add data into contact section and description section as per your requirement, but for now we will enter data only into basic section. Now our next step is to create job position, and then we will activate that job position. For that, click on job position and then click on create button. Here on the job position create page, under the basic section, select job title. I will select job title as sales executive, then select job profile, select job department, select job location, and then click on save button. Now a job position is successfully created, and we can see job position skill and benefit plans tab appeared. Now we will change status of our job position as activated and then click on save button. Our job position is now activated. Now our next step is to create interview template. For that, we will navigate to recruitment menu list, expand recruitment menu list, and then click on interview template. Here with the help of create button, we will create new interview template. Add name for interview template. I will add name as sales executive. Sales executive interview template. Then add number of rounds. I will add 2 number of rounds and then click on save button. As we have entered that number of rounds are 2, so it is mandatory for us to create 2 interview rounds. For that, click on interview stages and then click on create button. Now add name for interview stage. I will add name as aptitude test. Then select interview type. I will select interview type as online and then select sequence for the interview stage. Here I will select sequence as 1 and then click on save and close button. Our interview stage has been created, and we can see that we are redirected to the interview template detail page. Now we will create another interview stage similarly. Add name as technical round. Then select interview type. Now I will select interview type as face to face and select add interview sequence and then click on save and close button. Our interview stages has been added. Now we will activate our interview template. For that, click on activate button on the interview template detail page. We have successfully activated our interview template, and you can see that our form has changed to read only format. So in this video, we saw creation of job setup, creation and activation of job position, then we saw creation of interview template, creation of interview stages and interview template, and at last we saw activation of interview template. Thank you.